Numsense, Simplifying Data Science for Beginners, a practical book review to kickstart your data analytics journey by Marco Giardina.
Data science sounds complicated, right? But Numsense by Annalyn and Kenneth makes it simple. This video is a review of a fantastic book. It explains data science without overwhelming you with math. If you're starting in data analytics, this book is the perfect place to begin. The first big idea, focus on the concepts. The authors explain key data science techniques such as classification, clustering, and regression. They show how these work in plain language with real-life examples. Next, they simplify the data science process. From collecting data to making predictions, they break it down step by step. It's all about solving problems, not getting lost in numbers. The best part, they connect data science to everyday life. It is used in fraud detection, customer targeting, and movie recommendations. The authors also address common questions like, do you need coding skills? Or how can you interpret results without bias? This book is full of practical advice. Numsense makes data science accessible to everyone. If you're serious about breaking into data analytics, this book gives you the foundation. It shows you how to think critically and solve problems with data. Grab your copy of Numsense today and discover how simple data science can be. And if you want tailored guidance to build your skills, I'm here to coach you. Let's simplify data and your career together.